Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. The Princess of Asturias will partake in a diet that reflects the culinary offerings of her fellow crew members during her time aboard the training ship Elcano. This unique culinary journey will encompass a range of foods thoughtfully selected to meet the nutritional needs of all sailors, reinforcing the importance of health and well-being during their maritime adventure. On Saturday, the Elcano set sail from the port of Cuisine, carrying the Princess of Asturias and 252 crew members. This journey is set to last 5 months for Leonor, with the rest of the crew on board for 6 months. This voyage marks a significant chapter in Leonor's development as she prepares for her future role as a leader. As previously reported by Vanitatis, the 30 days outside the ship's official calendar will serve as a training period for Midshipman Ortiz Bourbon, where she will engage with fifth-year students in various educational and practical exercises. During this time, she is expected to spend part of her training on the aircraft carrier Juan Carlos I, known for its strategic capabilities and advanced naval training. Leonor will rejoin her Elcano classmates to enter the naval base of Marine on July 16th, coinciding with the feast day of the Virgin del Carmen, the patron saint of sailors, adding a cultural and spiritual significance to her journey. A crucial aspect of this voyage involves the management of the ship's provisions, which is carefully organized to ensure that all crew members receive balanced and nutritious meals. The culinary team consists of 2 dedicated cooks who prepare meals with the assistance of kitchen staff, referred to as pinches. The menus are meticulously designed and supervised by a nutritionist, ensuring that the food not only meets the crew's dietary requirements, but also provides energy for their physically demanding tasks. The food is excellent and plentiful. There's no distinction. The entire crew enjoys the same menu, affirm military personnel who have undergone similar experiences, emphasizing the importance of camaraderie and shared experiences among the crew. Breakfast is served between 7 and 7:30 in the morning, providing a hearty start to the day. This meal includes coffee, smoothies, toast, and orange juice, catering to a variety of tastes and dietary preferences. Notably, the inclusion of Inés Rosales oil cakes, a traditional Spanish treat, adds a delightful touch to the morning menu. The selection of fruits and other products varies based on the port of call, allowing for a diverse culinary experience that showcases regional specialties. For instance, when the ship docks in Argentina, alfajores, a beloved local delicacy made of 2 cookies filled with dulce de leche, become part of the offerings, providing a taste of home for the crew. In addition to breakfast, late morning snacks consist of a sandwich, ensuring that crew members have ample opportunity to refuel as they engage in their duties. Fresh fruit is always available, promoting healthy eating habits among the crew. For afternoon snacks, there's typically something sweet, which serves as a morale booster and a comforting treat after long hours of training and work. This attention to meal variety and quality not only sustains the crew physically, but also contributes to a positive atmosphere aboard the ship. As the princess embarks on this formative journey, her experiences, including the shared meals with her fellow crew members, will shape her understanding of leadership, teamwork, and the significance of community in challenging environments. The culinary aspect of life on the Elcano serves as a reminder that, even in a structured military setting, the simple act of sharing meals can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. Moreover, this culinary experience provides an opportunity for Leonor to engage with her fellow crew members on a personal level. Sharing meals fosters conversation and camaraderie, allowing her to learn from the experiences of others and build connections that will be invaluable in her future role. The lessons learned around the dining table about collaboration, respect, and understanding different perspectives will serve her well as she navigates her responsibilities as a future queen. Throughout her time on Elcano, food will not just be sustenance, it will be a vital part of her journey, helping her to grow both personally and professionally. As she sails through the waters, she will also be navigating the complexities of human relationships, cultural diversity, and the traditions that define naval life. In doing so, Leonor will emerge from this experience not only with practical maritime skills, but also with a deeper appreciation for the values of teamwork, resilience, and compassion, qualities that will be essential as she steps into her destined role in the future of the Spanish monarchy. Thanks for watching till the end.